About transaction number, yeah. This transaction number is a control number, yeah, for every transactions, whether that transaction terminated with a receipt or an invoice, or that transaction is cancelled. So every transaction will get a unique number. Okay, to look at this transaction number, yeah, first we come to the program right here, yeah, enter into this setup module, and in here set up transaction number. Okay, this module contain all the transaction number issued in this system. For example, this is the last number issued here. So I go back to our receipt, you can see that 020898, yeah, 020898 is the last number issued in our system. Okay, in this transaction number, it recorded the time, date, okay, and then the number, and then issue by who, yeah, this number. For example, yeah, I'm going to issue a new number now. I enter to the sales module now. I'm going to open a transaction either by F4, F5, or F7, doesn't matter, yeah, I go for F4, okay. So transaction is open right now at this stage. Up to this stage, transaction number already issued. Yeah. We come back to this module now. We can do a refresh. You can see that the new number have been issued by Michael, which is the current operator. Okay, back to the sales module. We can also click this button, yeah. Click, left click. You can see that our transaction number is right here. Transaction number is right here. Okay, back. Now, this transaction number can be terminated by either way, yeah. Whether it's a normal, mean that a receipt or an invoice being issued, or this transaction is being cancelled. Okay, now we back to the sell module now. If let's say, for example, I'm going to cancel this transaction, cancel, yes, so the transaction has been cancelled. Back to here, I do a refresh. You can see that the status changed to cancel. Okay, now going to do another example. Back to the sell module. I'm open up a new transactions, anybody, okay, and sell one item. Okay, and then I go for payment, full payment. I issued and received. Yes, you can see that my transaction number is issued right here. Yeah, 020900. Yeah, go back to here. You do a refresh, you can see that the number is being issued. Termination is normal. Another example, yeah, another example. Come to here, okay, F5, select, okay, select a name, okay, mark, and then sell one item, and payment invoice. I go for invoice, same, yeah. For the invoice also same, transaction number will be issued. So you can see that now it's 901 right here, 901. If we back to this control module, you do a refresh, you can see that 901 already issued. As for this transaction number module, yeah, it's a self-maintained module. Yeah. As for, we know that each transaction will get a unique number. And this module will do self-maintain by itself. Yeah. It will contain up to maximum of 5,000 plus or minus transaction. Any given time, if this transaction exceeding 5,000 more transaction, the top portion, yeah, top portion of this transaction will be automatically moved to archive batch. Current now we are looking at is a active data batch. If you want to look at the archive batch, it's right here. Left click archive, then you can see that this is the archive batch data right here. Of course, if we ourselves want to move data to archive, let's back to data now. Okay, I go to the top. I want to move 100 transactions to archive. Just left click this button. You can move one or a number record in here. I select 100. Then I click move. So 100 record will be moved to archive batch. Okay, so you can see that we have reduced 100 record here. Okay, one last point about this transaction number module. Yeah. This is a self-maintained module up to 5,000 transactions. However, if our year change, for example, our calendar change to a new year, this module will be reset by itself. Every transaction data in here will be moved to archive, and the active data will set back to 0. This one will set back to 0. So for each new year, this module will reset itself. As for the archive record, archive record now contain 25,000 record. This archive record will not delete itself. User will need to perform the delete. To delete in archive, just left click on any place and left click this button, and you can delete one number of record choosing or all record, and then you click delete. For example, I'm going to delete 1,000 record. Okay, 1,000. I said delete. So 1,000 record will be deleted. Okay, and you see that now become 24,000.